So in this video, we're going to be looking at how to use KVL to find the value of R4 in the given circuit. Right? So KVL basically means that we draw a loop, all right, in the circuit to assume an initial current flow, all right, and from there, all right, we can come up with the expression, and the rule of KVL basically says that the source voltages, the sum of the source voltages in the circuit will be equals to the sum of all the voltage drop across all the components in the circuit. All right, so in this case we have a single source 50 volts, so I'm going to write that over here, 50, that is the source voltage that we have, and the direction of the current flow is already given. All right, and the current I and the voltage drop across the components are also given. Okay, I mean the voltage drop signs are given, plus minus. All right, so we know that the current I is going to flow through R1, R2, R3, R4. So we know that the 50 volts that we have, this source voltage, is going to be distributed among these four resistors over here. All right, and by Ohm's law, okay, by Ohm's law we know that the voltage drop across any component is the current multiplied by the resistance, and since this is a series circuit, the current is constant, is the same for all the components. So the expression will be I times R1 plus I times R2 plus I times R3 plus I times R4. All right, now I is also given to be 10 milliampere. So let's go on to the next step. So I will see 10 milli multiplied by R1. R1 is 100 ohms plus again 10 milli multiplied by R2, which is 470, plus 10 milli multiplied by R3, which is 1K, plus 10 milli multiplied by R4. All right, now let's go ahead and compute the first four expressions here. So this will be 10 milli times 100, I will get 1, plus 10 milli times 470, I will get 4.7, plus 10 milli times 1K, I will get 10, okay, plus this 10 milli multiplied by R4, okay, and this is equals to 50. All right, so I bring the first three terms to the other side, so I'll get 50 minus 1 minus 4.7 minus 10 is equals to 10 milli multiplied by R4, and this will give me 34.3 equals to 10 milli multiplied by R4. All right, so if I solve for R4, I will get 34.3 over 10 milli, and that will be equals to 3.43 kilo ohms. All right, so that is the value for R4, which we have solved using the KVL approach. All right, so again, KVL is basically a law that says that the sum of all the source voltages within a loop is equal to the sum of all the voltage drop across the components within the loop. Okay, so in this case we have a single source 50 volts and four resistors which will have the voltage drop that adds up to 50 volts. Okay, so using this KVL approach, we have solved for the unknown resistance R4. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.